Today I will show you what I made as the final project for cs50. It is a Python Flask app which uses SQLite as a database. The purpose of this app is creating and storing recipes, so that's why it's called a recipe book. In this app, all basic CRUD operations were implemented successfully. You can add new recipe, open created ones, edit them and delete. Now we are on an index page. Here we can see all recipes which are already created and stored in a database. For each recipe there is a card with a button to open the recipe itself. This view is responsive to smaller screens. First, let's create a new recipe. Just press Post New Recipe. Now we have a form with all necessary fields for the recipe. For this example, we will describe how to cook fried eggs. Maybe someone will find it useful. For the name, fried eggs, and I have a stock picture for it. Now, ingredients we need. I believe it's eggs, butter, salt, and black pepper. Steps to follow. First, set a pan on a medium heat, throw a small piece of butter in it. Wash all eggs and wait a bit until the pan is heated. When you can obviously feel the heat, open the egg and put its content into the pan. Fry until ready and done. Now we can publish the recipe. There is a message of success and our recipe is presented on the index page. Let's check. This page reads recipe and its properties from the database like name, ingredients, steps to follow, etc. I want to add step or ingredient, I can edit the recipe. We forgot to add salt and pepper. Save. For another example, let's create another recipe. Name 1, description, item, step, because those fields are required and you cannot skip adding at least one step and one ingredient. Note that if I didn't add image, it uses default image. As this recipe was created, I suddenly realized that I don't want it. I can open its page and there is a button to totally delete the recipe. Of course, sometimes we do press some buttons unintentionally. That's why there is a warning page to check if user really wants to proceed with this operation. Yes, I do. Done. As an additional feature, you can use search to find certain recipes. For example, let's see what we can cook if we want curry. Here are the results. Now we can choose and jump to the desired recipe. Alright, that was the recipe book, my project for cs50. Thank you for your time. See ya!